Dump trailer's getting an upgrade. What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing an upgrade on my dump trailer charging system. Yes, I'm going with a solar panel for the top of it. I'm going to be mounting it where the spare tire is so I can get direct sunlight. Reason I'm going with an upgrade because the trickle charger coming off the main truck wiring harness that runs my trailer lights, it does charge the batteries, but not enough if I have to make a few dumps in a day, especially with a heavy load. Running the two batteries, yes, it's got two batteries for the hydraulic pump, and running that a few times a day just really wears the batteries down. So without going to a hitch place, RV place for them to upgrade my trickle charge coming off the truck, I'm going to go with this solution, give it a whirl. I did a little research on these solar panels. This was the best one that I could find, pretty much the best bang for the buck. This ran me around $105. It's a 5-watt trickle charge maintainer, so even if the trailer's sitting, moving, whatever, long as there's light, it will throw a charge on the batteries and help it charge my whole system, so I don't run into a problem where I have a big load on it and it just doesn't want to dump. But yeah, so unfortunately I can't do an unboxing because my dumbass taped this previously but the format was, half screen. The phone was turned a certain way and it just recorded the whole thing in a format that it would be very difficult to watch on the screen, so I'm retaping it. But I'll go outside, I'll show you the panel. Okay, so here I am outside. Here's the actual panel. It's fairly small, so you could put it and mount it in different places. But this is what I was talking about. A lot of the panels out there, they're very thick. As you could see, it's very thin, and it's covered in this glass clear coat polyurethane. I'm not sure what the proper term is for it, but as you could see, it's pretty thick on there. And some of the videos I seen, the reason I went with this is they were actually dropping gravel on this, and it didn't crack it. It did not scratch it. So it is very durable. Now, you can't stand on it, but, minor debris, if it falls on it, it's definitely going to hold up to it. So, yeah, there it is. So, sorry that I couldn't do an unboxing, but like I said, the previous recording was wrong, and I had to re-record it. So there she is. It's out of the way. I'm still able to use these rails to walk to access my trailer inside. So still plenty of room. There it is. Ran my wire with my other wiring harness there. Down there. Right into my battery box. So we'll see how it works. We'll see. Now that I have the solar charger, including my trickle charge coming off the main harness off the truck, so I should be good to go. We'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys updated to see how this is working out. Definitely to see how this holds up in the sun, because with my experience with these lacquers or clear coats, whatever you want to call them, polyurethane, they do haze up, that I've seen. So that should be very interesting. Will this haze up and restrict the actual sunlight from charging the batteries? We'll see how it does. See if it stays clear, nice and clear like that, to capture the sun and charge my batteries. But anyway, I'll keep you updated. In a few months, I'll let you know if it kept up with the demand I needed. If not, then I will have to go to a hitch place, RV place, and talk to them to see how I can get a better charge coming off the main harness that runs my lights on my trailer. Inside my box here where I installed it, the little light is on, therefore it is getting some of a charge. Today is a cloudy day, but it's amazing because it is charging. So yeah, definitely a good product. Still charging, it's amazing. It still has a very faint light. The red light is barely on, but it is still charging, and that's amazing because if you look up here, it's a very cloudy day. So the product is awesome. It's still giving it a charge, even though it is cloudy. Awesome. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. See you on the next video.